Hello, I hope everyone is doing well today, whether you're watching in the morning, the evening, or at nighttime. I hope you've had a blessed day or will have a blessed day. So I'm going to provide you with some cleaning motivation from my home to yours. Maybe it will motivate you to do the same in yours. Maybe it's just for entertainment. Either way, I greatly appreciate the support. If you do enjoy the content, if you could take a moment to hit that like button and subscribe. And if you comment down below, please keep it to a positive note and no negativity. With that being said, let's get started. I hope each and every one of you find something to be grateful for and to see the blessings in this day and each and every day. Now, having a clean, cozy, and organized home really helps me to de-stress and relax and enjoy the day, read a good book, watch a good movie, try to focus more on the positive, good, and loving things in life. So if anyone would like to share what you do to de-stress, find positive things, and relax, what makes you feel relaxed and focused, you can share in the comments down below. I would love to hear.